to Thailand Festival. Have you made a reservation before?
Yes, on behalf of Aleta.
Okay, Aleta, please follow me to your table. Please have a seat, Aleta. Excuse me, ma'am. May I open the napkin? Good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salma. It will be serving you during this dinner. If you need any assistance, please contact me directly. Excuse me, ma'am. This is the restaurant menu for tonight. We have two sections, package A and package B. Please take a look first. Excuse me, ma'am. Please pour mineral water. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is the bread and here is the butter. Enjoy. Excuse me. Have you decided on your menu?
Yes, I use the package A.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your appetizer menu. Enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. I'd like to take your plate. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your soup menu. Enjoy. Excuse me, ma'am. I'd like to take your plate. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your main course. Enjoy. Excuse me, ma'am. Please take your plates. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to take plate, bread and butter. Excuse me, ma'am. Let me clean the table. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your dessert menu. Enjoy. Excuse me, ma'am. Would like you tea or coffee to drink?
Tea.
Do you want to add sugar or milk?
No.
Enjoy, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to take your plates. Excuse me, ma'am. This is the bill for your dinner today. Please take it again. For payment, do you want cash or debit card? Have you finished, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, let me take you. Thank you for visiting. We look forward to seeing you again. Good evening, have a nice day.